Hello everybody, how are you? In today's video we are going to be discussing these terms in the science of Hadith, which we may have covered but not in detail. So without further ado, let's start. Al-Isnad is attributing the statement to the person who said it, or the narrator who said it. So the Hadith itself we're going to attribute to the person who narrated it, okay? And a Sanad is basically sometimes we say it's a chain of narrators, but it actually means, or like the more formal description of it, is that it is like between the narrators. There's like a description of how the statement was conveyed from one narrator to another. So there was a difference as like if the narrator said to the other narrator, or how did they convey it. It's like different ways of saying it, such as witnessed, heard, or saw. Each of them have a different degree of credibility. And the third one is al-matan. Al-matan is a statement that's attributed to the Prophet, which is not like casually we can say this chain of narrators. And al-musnad, we didn't write it here. Al-musnad is basically the collection of prophetic statements that were narrated by each companion with classifying the hadith according to their topic. So if the hadith is about the salah, so basically each sahabi or companion has their own like chapter, let's say, and then there's the hadith under them that he narrated about different topics like prayer, fasting, etc. And then here we have our final thing, al-hafiz wal-muhaddith. So al-hafiz wal-muhaddith are basically scholars of hadith who have the knowledge of al-riwayah, which we discussed before. Al-riwayah is basically to convey the hadith, and al-dirayah is to authenticate the hadith. And yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. See you next video. Bye bye.